Hello everyone, so in this video we will talk about the Book 3A Revision 4 question 28. Okay, so this is DSC-like question. Okay, if you want to know more, you can check DSC 2019 paper 2 Q16. Okay, so this question is quite similar to that question. Okay, so let's start. First of all, let's check the question and see any value that may be useful for solving the question. So first of all, it say that in the diagram, that means you will have the diagram. Okay. And then it says that ABCD is a rectangle. Okay. And secondly, E is the midpoint of AD. Okay, so if we see that it is midpoint, maybe we can give the sign like this. Okay. 咁你唔會擾亂咗幅圖啦，咁所以可以加定呢兩點落去先嘅。Okay. And then it also say that F and G are points lying on BC such that BF to FG to GC equal to 2 to 3 to 1. So here we have some ratio here. Okay, this ratio must be very useful. Okay, and then we know that CE and DG intersect at H. So that means CHE and DHG are also straight line. Okay, so we understand this. Okay, so I just give it. So maybe we know this point already. Okay, and then it is given that also the area of triangle CDH is 9 centimeters squared. Okay. So maybe we can pinpoint the ratio. It says that BF to FG to GC is 2 to 3 to 1. So maybe when we consider the question, we can directly give that. BF is equal to 2K, 3K, and 1K. Okay, we cannot say that they are 2, 3, 1 because 2, 3, 1 are only the ratio. Okay, but the length of BF, for the length of BF, we can use K method to represent it. Okay, and remember, when you use this method, you should write K not equal to 0. Okay, to identify that K cannot be 0. Okay. Okay, and then for considering this question, maybe we should consider the area of the triangle. Okay, because it is already a rectangle, so that means the length and the width, okay, can be the height and the base of the triangle inside already. Okay, so for convenience, maybe we will let DC by B. Okay, so this is the common, maybe the common height. Okay, maybe. Okay, and now we can try to set some unknown. Okay, maybe if we really use this method, then we try to write the solution. Okay, first of all, we let the BF equal to 2K, and then FG equal to 3K, and also GC equal to K. Alright? So besides that, we can also say that BC altogether equal to BC altogether equal to 2K plus 3K plus K, so it is 6K. Okay, and because this is a rectangle, okay, so we can say that the AE and ED are the same. Okay, so they will all be 3K. So this is because this is a rectangle. All right. Okay. So maybe we should write here. Okay. Okay, so this is the first part of our solution. Okay. So for the next, we'll try to consider the area of some triangle. Okay, because from the diagram, we know that the area of triangle HCD is 9 centimeters square. So it is given by the question. Okay. However, for triangle HCD, if we say that DC is the base, okay, if the base, but what is the height? Okay, the height may be from H and then perpendicular to DC. Okay, so this is the H. But the H is not related. Okay, not related to K. Okay, so it seems difficult to use. All right, so we may change our mind. Okay, first of all, we may consider that for the area of triangle DGC, which is equal to the area of triangle HCD plus the area of CGH. Okay, so we find that the area of triangle HCD is given, it is 9. And also the area of triangle CGH is that we need, okay, for question to solve for question A. Okay, this is what we need. Okay, so it seems useful. Okay, so this is the first part, maybe we'll use. Okay, and then secondly, we also know that triangle EHD and triangle CHG is similar. Okay, because this is a rectangle, so all there should have 3 same angle inside the triangle, so they must be similar. Okay, so if they are similar, then we can use their base and height to find the ratio of their base and the height to find the ratio of the area, such that we can find the area of both of them. Okay, all right. So maybe we will use this part to solve the problem. Okay, and also we may check the area of them by the value of K and B. Okay, because for triangle EHD, okay, we may say that for the height of EHD, okay, can be H1, and then the height of CHG, which can be H2. Okay, and because the two triangles are similar, okay, therefore the ratio of their heights must be equal to the ratio of their base length. Okay, so for triangle EHD, the base should be 3K. Okay, that we get from before. And then for H2, the base is K. Okay, so here we found that corresponding sides of similar triangle. So we can see that their heights actually equal to 3 to 1. Okay. On the other hand, we also know that the sum of the H1 and H2 actually equal to B. Okay, therefore we can say that h1 is equal to 3 over 4b, and h2 is equal to b over 4. All right. Okay, now we're back to the solution. So to this part, we can know that the area of triangle CHG actually equal to 1/2 times the base K times the height B over 4. Okay, so it is 1/8 times KB. Okay, and also we know that the area of triangle can also be found by the area of triangle GCD minus area of triangle HCD. For the area of triangles GCD, it should be 1/2 times KB. And for triangle HCD, it is given by the question. It is 9 centimeters squared. Okay. So from these two equations, we can finally say that okay. So by solving this equation, you can see that the KB is equal to 24. Okay, so finally we can say that the area of triangle CHG is equal to 24 over 8. So it is 3 centimeters squared. Okay. So this is one way to solve this question. Okay, so please check. Okay, and then next we will try to do question B also. So this is question A, and then we'll try to do B. So for question B, we will try to find the area of the quadrilateral EFGH. So EFGH is this one. So EFGH. Okay, this part. Okay, this part. All right. So for this part, maybe we can simply find it by the area of triangle EFC minus the area of triangle GCH. Okay, or maybe I copied from before. This should be CGH. So for triangle EFC, the area should be 1/2 times 4K times B. Okay, and then the area of triangle CGH is already found. It is 3 centimeters squared. Okay, so we're trying to put back the, okay, maybe we try to do this. So this is 2KB minus 3. Okay. So, and we find that the KB is 24. So actually 24 times 2 is 48 minus 3. So the answer should be 45 centimeters squared. Okay. So that's the solution of this question. Okay, see you.